Hey Chris, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting your free video. So today we're going to go over a few things that you guys can start doing right away to start capturing those organic leads. Now, I noticed that you guys don't have a website. You do have a Facebook and a Google My Business page, which is good. Your Google My Business page can generate up to 30% of organic leads, so it is important that this be properly optimized. You definitely want it to be in the top 3 of the map pack. And in order to do that and beat your competitors, the most important thing are going to be citations. So you're going to need to go and get a bunch of listings and directories with your business name, address, phone number, and website if you get one, and list those in a bunch of directories. So you're going to need more of those listings than your top competitor. And if you're servicing multiple areas, which it looks like you might be, you might want to consider additional Google My Business pages for other locations so you can get to the top there as well. Now, the other 70% of organic leads really comes from a website. So it is really critical to not only just have a website, but to have a website that is optimized to capture the traffic. So we'll go ahead and take a look at one of your top competitors in your service area. This is annoying, so don't do these pop-ups. Let's see here. So this is Priority Restoration. They have a good website. They have separate pages for every service, which is exactly what you're going to want. This allows you to go after relevant local keywords for each of your services so that you can be found organically online for each of those services. You also need separate location or service area pages if you're servicing multiple areas. This allows you to be found in those areas for your services. Google does not rank your a website based on appearance. It is all based on content. Content is key, so you're going to need a lot of it. Google wants your homepage to be a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content focused around the local buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching for your services in each of your service areas. And so your content needs to be built around that. So you can see here, they have water restoration companies in New Jersey. So that is a good one for that service area that they service. Now, typically, your focus throughout your homepage and service areas would be on one specific location. And then you'd have different service area pages that would focus on New Jersey. So since they have New Jersey here, they would have a New Jersey page. And so service area pages are supposed to be like mini home pages. And a homepage is supposed to be designed to give a small summary of each of your services and to have keywords to drive people to your homepage. And then your service area pages also have their own unique content with their keywords. That way you can actually be on the first page of Google for multiple pages. So looking at these guys, they do have a ton of content. And so you're going to need more content than they have. And you want to focus all of your content around your local buyer intent keywords. Your homepage should be the strongest page on your website. Google has little crawlers that are like mini robots that go and index all of these pages, looking for original content and keywords, so that they can index you for those and put you in front of customers that are searching for your services. Now, the next part of that is a website by itself is not enough to be found online. It does need to be supported by SEO, which is search engine optimization. So if we look here, their website as a whole has a rating of a 2.6, which is pretty poor. That means that Google does not trust their website, and that's 100% because of referring domains and backlinks. Not all of these are created equal, so it is really important that when you do SEO that you're getting relevant backlinks that are of high authority, meaning that they're related to your business, and that they do follow links so that they share the power of high ranking sites. Now, a referring domain is any website that provides a link to your website, and a backlink is the physical link coming from a referring domain to your website, and the intention is to drive traffic. Now, Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain, so anything else they look at is spam. And if we look here, only 54 of their referring domains are do follows, which means only 54 of their links are doing anything to help their website. Because they have a lot of pages and content, they have been indexed for over 1,700 keywords. And so they're getting over 748 people to their website per month. So that just kind of shows you the type of traffic that could be coming to your website if you had a website and it was properly optimized and supported by SEO. Now, if you follow each of these tips I provided you today, your website can become #1 across Google using those local buyer intent keywords supported by SEO. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and that you can use these tips to start capturing your 70% in organic leads. I would really love to get your feedback, what you thought of the video. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, Chris, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.